Hello YouTube. In this video we're gonna show you how to paint new parts. In this case we have a fender and the front bumper. These parts are going to 2017 Kia Rio. So first step, you will have to be sure the parts are already primered. If they are already primered, then you will need to sand this primer. I'm using scuff pads right here like this, and I'm just sanding like that. So this is the first step. We use second step, we're gonna wipe this down to get all of the grease out, to make sure the surface is ready for paint and there's nothing of the grease left. Acetone for this, just a tiny bit, putting to the shop towel. We're using shop towel for that, and this is how it's looking. It's already been sanded and wiped. Same step you're doing for the metal parts. Going edges first. Some guys using gas for this, for the wipe. I don't know. Sometimes I use thinner for this. It works as well. Anything that takes grease out. On the third step, we are using this adhesion promoter. That's especially for the plastic parts. If you don't use this stuff, your paint will peel off. Most likely very soon. Make sure go over the edges first, because the paint starting to peel from the edges first. If your edges are all the way sprayed with this adhesion promoter, you are all set to put paint on. Now we're gonna mix the paint. We have paint here and we have universal reducer. So right now it's around 65 Fahrenheit degrees outside, so we're gonna use medium. And we're gonna mix it 50 by 50. Dropping everything. Make sure mix all the paint you have. If you have half bottle, mix half. If you have full, mix full. Because sometimes on the bottom of the bottles, the paint is really, it's catching to the bottom and it's tough to get it out. That's why make sure mix all of the paint, because sometimes if you don't mix it good, it's not gonna match. We had that problem in the past. Let me show you. See, on the bottom you will see there's some paint left. Now we're gonna use a little bit, okay, and just mix just like that. Especially if your paint is metallic, the heavy metals goes down and gets sticky to the bottom of your bottle. See, it's very sticky. You have to get everything out the bottle to make sure there's a right amount of the paint. Okay, it's good now. So paint is ready and we're gonna start to paint. Before you paint, always use this sticky pad to take all of the dust out of your part. The surface must be nice and clean, and also use this tack pad between your paint layers, and also before you applying clear coat. On the first layer, start with edges to make sure all of the edges are Nice. And don't go too much on the first layer. We need to get paint stick to the surface. This is the good for the first layer. It's enough. Let it dry for a couple minutes and then go for second. Okay guys, paint is done. We have applied 3 layers, and as you see, it's enough. It's ready for clear coat. It's already dry. So now we are mixing the clear coat. We're gonna use this clear coat right here. So it's a medium hardener right here, and we're mixing it 1 by 4. So there's 4 parts of clear coat, and we're gonna put 1 part of hardener, just like that. Ready for clear coat, and we are using this pretty cheap Spectrum paint gun from Harbor Freight. I paid around $120 for it, so it's fairly cheap, and actually it's good. I like it. We already wiped before clear coat. Surface is ready to go. Let's roll. Start with the edges to make sure all of the edges are painted. This is first layer. We're gonna let it dry for a couple of minutes, and we're gonna put another second and final layer. Stay tuned. Okay, it's passed about 10 minutes since we applied first layer of the clear coat, and we are ready to move to the second coat. Let's get it done. This is the final coat. That's right. Make sure you have applying your clear coat everywhere. Nice, good coat. Nice, good layer. Okay, that's how it's looking, guys. Okay, paint and clear coat is done. You can see now how it's turned out. Nice and shiny, no drips. We are not professional painters, but we have a small body shop, and this method used to work for us for years. Really good. If you like this video, please thumbs up, put the comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you, and see you in the next video.